Good day everyone, I am Eliza Grace M. Valentino and today I will present to you my analysis presentation, The Lorax, Dr. Seuss. In this presentation, I will discuss the environmental problem shown in the history, its impact, the ethical issues, and its connection to science, technology, and to society. Objectives: to identify the main environmental problem shown in the Lorax. Number 2, to explain the effects of the problem on nature, animals, and people. Number 3, to understand the lesson of the Lorax about taking care of the environment. And number 4 is to relate the Lorax to science, technology, and to society. So, introduction. The Lorax is a story by Dr. Seuss about the importance of protecting nature. It tells the story of a man called the Wansler, who became rich by cutting down the truffula trees to make a product called the tin. As his business grew, he continued cutting more trees without thinking about the environment. The Lorax, who speaks for the trees and the animals, repeatedly warned the Wansler to stop because the forest was being destroyed. However, the Wansler ignored the warnings until all the truffula trees were gone. As a result, the animals lost their homes, the air, and the water became polluted, and the beautiful forest disappeared. In the end, the Wansler realized the consequences of his actions. He gave the last truffula seed to a young boy. Hoping that one day the forest could grow again, the story teaches that people have the responsibility to take care for the environment, and it is never too late to make a positive change. So The Lorax is a story written by Dr. Seuss about the importance of protecting nature. This story follows the Wansler who became rich by the cutting down the truffula trees to produce tinids. Habang lumalaki yung business niya at habang lumalago, is marami rin siyang pinuputol na puno without thinking about the environment. The Lorax who speak for the trees and the animals kept warning the Wansler to stop, pero hindi ito nakinig. Eventually, all the truffula trees disappeared. Dahil dito is nawalan ng mga tirahan yung mga hayop, naging polluted yung hangin at tubig, at nasira ang buong forest. At the end of the story, the Wansler realized his mistake and gave the last truffula seed to a young boy named Ted. Hoping that the forest could grow again, this story reminds us that it's never too late to protect and care for our environment. Now, let's move on to the body of the story of our analysis. So, problem definition. The main problem in the Lorax is deforestation. The main problem in the Lorax is deforestation. The Wansler cut down too many truffula trees just to produce more tinids and earn more profit. Because of his greed, he ignored the effect of his actions. This shows that when people focus only making money without caring for nature, serious environmental problems can be happen. So here's the consequences of what Wanslers did. Una is nag-cut siya ng isang tree, then sunod, dahil nga sa lumago yung business niya, dumami yung mga supplier. Sa third picture is umunti naman or nawala na yung mga trees, truffula trees. The loss of the truffula trees destroyed the natural habitat of many animals. The brown barbalots lost their source of food. The swarmy swans were forced to leave because of air pollution, and the hummingfish could no longer survive because the water became polluted. As a result, the once beautiful and healthy environment became empty and lifeless. So the destruction of the truffula trees had a big impact on the environment. For example, dito is the brown barbalots lost their food source, and the swami swans had to leave because of the air pollution, while the humming fish could no longer live because the water is polluted. As a result, the once beautiful forest became empty and lifeless. Here is the picture of the environmental impact. Number one is the factory. Two is balots. As you can see, nagugutom na sila dahil wala na silang source of food. Three is the humming fish na umuubo na sila kasi polluted na yung tubig. Number 4 is the windmill na kung saan sa loob maganda pero kapag lumabas ka is wala nang buhay yung sa environment. Then the last, nakikita dito yung water pollution is nakakaapekto sa humming fish. Next is ethical dimension. So the story is also teaches us an important ethical lesson. So Wansler chose profit instead of protecting the environment, even though the Lorax kept warning him. This reminds us that we all have a responsibility to take care of our nature because our action today will affect future generations. Being responsible means thinking not only about ourselves but also about our other living things. In conclusion, the Lorax teaches us that greed and the irresponsible use of natural resources can destroy the environment because of excessive cutting of trees, pollutions, increase, and many animals lost their homes. This story also shows how environmental destruction became a business through Mayor O'Hare, who sold bottled fresh air. Finally, Ted planted the last truthful seed, reminding us that even one person can make a positive difference. The message of this story is simple. We should protect nature and use our natural resources responsibly. Next is science. The Trufula trees perform photosynthesis, producing oxygen and helping keep the air clean. When the trees were cut down, the environment became polluted and the clean air became scarce. So this is the example of science. So, ayan. Next is technology. The Wansler used machines and factories to produce more tinids. Although technology helped increase production, it was used irresponsibly, causing environmental destruction. Later, Mayor O'Hare used technology to produce and sell bottled fresh air for just profit. So, the Wansler used machines and factories to produce more tinids quickly because ginamit ni Wansler to ang environmental destruction. And later on, there's Mayor O'Hare na kung saan ginamit niya yung technology but to produce and sell bottled fresh air. So, mapapakita ko sa inyo mga pictures. Ayan, the factory, yung binebenta ni Mayor O'Hare na fresh air, and also yung artificial tree nila na kung saan peke lang. So, I will show you another video about technology.
Dude, I don't think so. Huh? Hey. Yeah.
purified air, freshness.
It's the Okomatic, the only tree with its own remote. Summer, autumn, winter, and disco.
Mom.
Come on, Ted, get into it. Dance with the tree.
Oh, it hurts, Mom. Please
The
stop.
people of Tinidville became dependent on artificial trees and bottled air without realizing the importance of nature. Through Ted's actions, the community learned that protecting the environment is everyone's responsibility and that society can work together to restore it. Let's talk about society. So the people of Tinidville became dependent on artificial trees and bottled air instead of protecting real nature. So they just always accept the artificial solution like the bottled air or yung mga artificial trees kung saan is hindi nila na-realize yung importance of the environment. So through Ted's action, the community realized that everyone has a responsibility to protect nature. So this shows that when a society works together, positive environmental change is possible. So this is the society. So because of Ted's action, as you can see, nagsimula lang siya sa small society, which is his family. Sunod is padami na ng padami. And because sa action ni Ted, yung society naman is nalaman nila or nirealize nila na yung Trufula tree is nagbibigay buhay sa atin, sa kanila, for their environment. So here is the other video of society. As you can see, the artificial tree is made of this material. And dito, na-realize nila yung dapat gawin, kung saan dapat tularan si Ted. Next is their quotes. Ito yung sinabi ni Lorax na, unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing is going to get better. It's not. So this quote reminds us that real change begins with each one of us. Like Ted, like even small actions such as planting trees, reducing waste, and caring for the environment can make a big difference. So that's all. Thank you everyone for listening, and I hope you learned the importance of protecting our environment.